Now we are given a question that says 2 multiplied by log x to base a minus log x minus 1 to base a equal to log of x plus 3 to base a, and we are asked to obtain the value of x. So at this point, let's put down our solution. So the question given to us is 2 log of x to base a minus log of x minus 1 to base a equal to log of x plus 3 to base a. Now, in our laws of logarithm, we have it that if n multiplied by log m to base p, this can also be expressed as log m raised to the power of n to base p. So now we can apply this law at this point. So the equation becomes log of x squared to base a minus log x minus 1 to base a, everything equated to log x plus 3 to base a. Now at this point, we can apply the subtraction law of logarithm, and the expression at the left hand side becomes log in base a s squared divided by x minus 1. Everything is equal to log x plus 3 or in base a. Recall that if I have log a in base b minus log c in base b, this can be expressed as log a divided by c or in base b. So having applied this knowledge to our equation, we can now further say that the equation becomes log x squared divided by x minus 1 or enclosed in a bracket to base a equal to log x plus 3 or in base a. Now, since we have the same base, then we can have it that x squared divided by x minus 1 is equal to x plus 3. Now we can cross multiply, so the equation becomes s squared equal to x plus 3 multiplied by x minus 1. So now let us expand the bracket. So we have that x to multiply x, so we have s squared, x to multiply negative 1, so we have negative x, 3 to multiply x, so we have plus 3x, and 3 also will multiply negative 1. So this becomes negative 3. So we put down the left hand side. So we can simplify the right hand side by saying that minus x plus 3s is plus 2s. So this is x squared equal to s squared plus 2x minus 3. So we have it that x squared minus x squared minus 2x is equal to negative 3. So s squared can cancel out s squared. So we are left with minus 2x equal to negative 3. So therefore, we divide both sides by negative 2. So negative 2 can cancel out negative 2. So we have it that x is equal to, at this point, minus also cancel out minus. So s is 3 divided by 2. Thank you so much for watching. If you know you found the video helpful, please do not forget to like the video and also subscribe to this channel.